What makes hornbills unique compared to other bird species? How many species of hornbills exist worldwide? What are the key physical characteristics of hornbill birds? Why do hornbills have large, curved beaks? What is the function of the casque helmet-like structure on a hornbill's beak? How do hornbills use their beaks for survival? Where are hornbill birds commonly found in the wild? What are some interesting behaviors of hornbills? What are the largest and smallest species of hornbills? How do hornbills interact with other bird species? What do hornbills eat in their natural habitat? How do hornbills help with seed dispersal in forests? Are hornbills carnivorous, herbivorous, or omnivorous? How do hornbills catch and eat their food? What role do hornbills play in maintaining ecological balance? Do hornbills hunt for food, or are they scavengers? How do hornbills adapt their diet based on habitat changes? What kind of fruit do hornbills prefer to eat? How does deforestation affect the food availability for hornbills? What are the feeding habits of hornbills in captivity? How do hornbills build their nests? Why do female hornbills seal themselves inside tree cavities during nesting? How do male hornbills provide food for their mates and chicks? What are the biggest threats to hornbill nests? How long do hornbill chicks stay in the nest before they can fly? What is the role of both parents in raising hornbill chicks? How do hornbill chicks develop their distinctive beaks? How many eggs do hornbills typically lay in one breeding season? What happens if the nest of a hornbill is disturbed? Do all hornbill species exhibit the same nesting behavior? How do hornbills communicate with each other? What are the different calls and sounds made by hornbills? Why do hornbills sometimes engage in aerial displays? How do hornbills use their beaks for courtship and bonding? Do hornbills exhibit territorial behavior? What are the social structures within hornbill populations? How do hornbills defend themselves from predators? What are some unique mating rituals of hornbills? Do hornbills migrate, or do they stay in one area year-round? How do hornbills interact with humans in the wild and in captivity? What are the major threats to hornbill populations? How does habitat destruction impact hornbill survival? Which hornbill species are endangered or critically endangered? How do conservation programs help protect hornbills? What is the impact of illegal wildlife trade on hornbills? How can people help conserve hornbill habitats? What role do indigenous communities play in hornbill conservation? How do reforestation programs benefit hornbill populations? What are some success stories of hornbill conservation efforts? How do national parks and wildlife sanctuaries protect hornbills?